Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to open TikTok on mute mode. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone, and we're gonna open the TikTok setting. So we can tap on our profile button right here to open the TikTok setting. Then click on this three lines button on the top left, on the top right corner of your screen, and we're gonna open the settings and privacy. Okay, and here we can select the playback setting. Tap on this playback option, and here you can activate this feature. Open TikTok on mute. Click on this toggle button to activate it, and right after this feature has been activated, anytime you open your TikTok application, the sound of the TikTok will be muted. Alright guys, and that's how we can open TikTok on mute mode on our phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.